I have this intense craving for butter chicken for the past couple of weeks pero di talaga ako makadecide where to go. We do like rich, kaya lang ang layo ng OG branch and medyo pricey talaga food nila. And then I found Annapurna on Food Panda and I remembered in one of my videos a lot of people recommended this restaurant so I decided to give it a try. So ito yung mga orders ko. First of all, nagulat talaga ako sa serving ng naan kasi hindi ko alam na one big whole naan siya. Cut into four lang so we have like 20 pieces of naan which is a good thing naman. And guys, masarap pala talaga yung butter chicken nila. The sauce was rich and creamy and had a velvety texture tapos isang lasa yung spices. It's a little bit sweet nga lang pero if you pair with garlic na, nababalance out naman. Marami-rami na rin naman yung chicken pieces niya tapos flavorful and very tender. For sharing na rin yung isang serving. I also got the paneer masala for my vegetarian sister. Yung sauce nito tasted almost the same as the butter chicken one but has more acidity to it. The samosa was just okay, filled with potatoes naman and the sauces were good. Siguro I've had better lang but